This Nigeria party jollof rice was made using small grain rice. So if you want to learn how to make party jollof rice, then click on that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. The list and quantity of item I use is pinned on the comment section. Please do check it out. And while you are at the comment section, kindly let me know what video you want me to do next and I will be at your service. So the first thing you have to do is to roast your peppers. So now if you don't have oven, you can actually do this on top of your stove, on top of your cooker top with your pot. Make sure to sprinkle some oil on it. Whether you're using your cooker or your oven, just make sure to sprinkle some oil on it. And that is exactly what you can see me doing right here. Now, while your tomato is roasting on the oven, boil some hot water and pour it on the rice. It should be boiling water, not just hot water. And then stir it continuously. Stir it so that it will stop sticking together, and cover and leave for about 10 minutes. That is exactly what I did. I covered it and leave it for about 10 minutes before I poured the water away. Then after that, run some cold water over it and continue washing it until the water is clear. And since we are not cooking our rice yet, it's very important you wash your rice until it is cold. Each grain is cold. If your rice is hot, it will continue cooking. If your rice is hot, the ones under will be getting more softer. So it is very important you know this. Continue washing it. If you wash it at a point, pour the water away and continue do this. You should do this up to 4 to 5 times depending, until until your rice is neat and also your every grain of the rice is cold. Next step is to season your protein of choice properly. I'm using turkey for this recipe. I'll season with some curry powder, some thyme, bouillon or stock powder, salt to taste, add in some garlic and ginger powder, and very important, don't forget to add your onions. Now give that a proper stir. You want everything to be well incorporated and married together. Now you want to make sure your cooker is on medium low and then cover and leave it to simmer on its own juice. So we'll leave this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So this have been cooking for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I open it. Just look at the amount of juice it release. Turkey is naturally very juicy. Now, what I'll do now is to stir it together. And note, it's very important you season your protein of choice very well, because you want it to be very tasty after you fry it. And also the stock is very important. That is what we are using for the base, and we'll add to the stew to make the base for the jollof rice. So it's very important you season it very well. Now just go ahead and add enough water to cover the turkey. Now cover it and leave it to cook for another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, our pepper have been roasting for close to 50 minutes now, though I do remove it occasionally and stir it. And this is what we have. This is exactly the way we want it. Now the next thing we are going to do here, the next thing you do is to blend the peppers. This video showing right now on the screen is a recipe for stew, and if you click that, you see the second option on how to process your tomato if you don't have oven at home, so you can easily use your pot. So do click on that video and watch it. So we'll go ahead and blend the pepper. Now look at how thick the batter is looking after blending. You can also use this method for your stew. Now after 30 minutes, our turkey is done. So I cooked this turkey for total of 40 minutes. Now, the next thing you do is to remove the turkey from the broth and then filter the broth. You can either throw this away or blend it and add it to the base. The best pot for jollof rice is this pot or any of the two pots you are seeing on top of the screen right here. Every other pot is also okay, but if you really want that smoky patty jollof rice, then you should go with these three options when cooking your jollof rice. So the mark on that pot just come from years of cooking jollof rice. That is the pot I always use whenever I'm cooking jollof rice for my family, and I've been using it for years. What is your opinion on this? Do you really think that the type of pot you use for cooking your jollof rice have an impact to play in the taste of the jollof rice, or is it just a might? Leave your thoughts on the comment section. I will be at the comment section. I really want to know. Go ahead and fry the turkey on both sides until it is golden brown. Now go ahead and remove the turkey from the oil. Now you can reduce the oil if you think it's too much, but for me, I think the oil is okay for the size of rice I want to cook. And also, if you want your peppers to fry very well, to fry properly, then you require a lot of oil. You can always reduce the oil after frying the pepper before adding the rice and the broth or water. Now go ahead and add in some chopped onions inside the oil and fry this until it is brown. Until it is brown. Don't leave it to get burnt. We don't want it burnt, but we want it to get brown, like golden brown. So this is exactly what we want. Now we are going to add our tin tomato paste. The tomato paste I'm using is double concentrated. So you have to fry this for at least 8 minutes to get rid of its tanginess. You don't want it to be sour, you want it to be sweet, and the onions will sweeten it. So you have to continuously fry this for at least 8 minutes. I fried mine for good 15 minutes. Now, if you take a closer look, you will see that there is much difference from the look of the tomato when we started frying it and the way it is looking now. Now, it have to look as if, the way the egg, when you are making egg sauce, the way it will scatter and be one. That is exactly the way we want it. Now, we'll go ahead and add the roasted blended peppers into it. Now make sure to stir everything together. Stir it properly to marry together. Now go ahead and season with some curry powder, some thyme, some seasoning powder, a mixture of garlic and ginger powder, and also most importantly, season with some white pepper. Yes, white pepper. This is also what give it that signature party jollof rice. Now go ahead and add salt to taste and also add some paprika powder, which is not very compulsory, but if you have it available, add it for taste and color. Now give that a proper stir. I want to ask, have you ever used white pepper for your jollof rice? If so, tell me, what do you think about it? And what other spices do you use to add in your jollof rice? Let me know on the comment section. Now you can just go ahead and fry this for a minute or two. So I forget to add my bay leaves, so I just added it. I also want to ask, do you use crayfish for your jollof rice? Personally, I don't like using crayfish for my jollof rice. I just feel like it alter the taste of jollof rice, but it is personal choice though. At times I add it if I'm cooking just normal rice, normal jollof rice that is not party jollof rice. But if I really want the taste of that party jollof rice, I don't use to add it. So tell me on the comment section, what do you think about adding crayfish to jollof rice? Now what I did was just I added the rice right now, and then this is me just stirring everything together to get combined. Make sure you stir everything together. You want each piece of the rice, each grain of the rice to be coated beautifully with our sauce, our stew sauce, the base. You want to make sure it is coated beautifully with the base. Now go ahead and add some water or the broth from the chicken into it and give that a proper stir. Now cover it with a foil paper. This part is important to help trap the moisture inside. Now place the lid on it to further secure the pot. Also cook this on low heat. My phone camera actually off at this point, so I did not video the final part, but this was the result of the rice. So I cooked this for a total of 30 minutes, but on a very low heat. And another thing you need to note is that I cook was small green rice, Nigeria rice, the small green rice, and it still come out beautifully like this. At this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much. And if you are coming across this channel for this first time, please do subscribe for more recipes I like noticed this. That the percentage of people watching my video and not subscribing is actually high. Please do click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. It's just your way of encouraging me. Subscribe for more recipe like this. See you in my next video. Bye.